Critter Trades here, and today we're going to take a look at the GKU D700 dash cam. And this is a really awesome dash cam. It's a 4K front, 1080p rear cam, and these things are super simple to use. You really just plug them in, hook up the rear camera, plug that in as well, and they're good to go. They'll automatically start recording for you while you're driving down the road, and they have a lot of really good features all packed into one. The best thing about these cameras is that they work really well and they're super easy to use. They have an instruction manual that will go through all the different settings that they have. You can link them to the smartphone app to change the settings. This one does have the option to go through with the screen here. So yeah, this D700 is a nice little camera. I like that you can take it off the windshield, you can slide it off the mount and slide it back on. That way if you want to take it out when you're not using the car, so you're not worried about somebody coming in and stealing it, you can just unplug the cable, slide it out. If you push the button on the side once, it will lock the video so it won't overwrite it when you're driving down the road. And the quality is very good for this camera, and I like that it's a really good package. It's easy to use. It has all the options available on the touchscreen. You don't have to go in the app if you don't want to, but you can do that as well. But yeah, you just hook up the back camera, run the wires up to the front. If you want to use the included trim tool, you can hide them under the headliner. Then you plug in the power and the camera on the side here, and then it's pretty much good to go. You can change some of the settings if you'd like to do that. It will record your GPS. It will do all the things that any normal dash cam would do. If you want to hardwire it, you can do a hardwire. That way you can have it do a continuously recording parking mode, 24 hours, which is a nice feature. So that definitely is a good option to have as well. Overall, I really like the camera. I really like that it's nice and compact and the touchscreen's easy to use. It's got a nice little screen on it here. And it's a very good quality camera. If you're looking to purchase it, check out a link down in the description. If you have any questions or comments, let me know those as well.